Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eric.
And I'm Laura.
And we're the Techy Agents, and today we're doing an unboxing and first impressions of the new Garmin Vivosmart 4.
So this is the new Vivosmart 4. The Vivosmart line is one of Garmin's most successful and popular lines, and this newest version packs in some new features. Of course, it comes with the typical tracking metrics that we would expect, like all-day steps, all-day calories, sleep tracking, and all-day heart rate. However, for $129, we are also getting some new metrics that potentially set it apart from the competition. The first is what Garmin is calling body battery. This is a constantly updated real-time energy score throughout the day. The idea here is to give you a metric that lets you know how much energy is in your tank for upcoming activities and exercise. A low body battery score would mean that you need to take it easy, and a higher body battery score would mean that you could push yourself a little harder.
The watch will get a 5 to 7 day battery life. It recharges with a clip-on style charger, with the other end being standard USB to plug into your phone charging brick or a computer. In addition to the optical heart rate sensor on the back of the device, we are also getting a new pulse oximeter sensor, which will measure your oxygen levels in your blood during sleep. Now, I don't have word yet if this will be a feature that's activated during the day or during exercise, but at the very least it will be available when you're sleeping. Now, a couple of features that are worth highlighting is that this will have Garmin's all-day stress reading or stress score, which is Garmin's proprietary heart rate variability. So that's a feature that they do have on their higher end watches, and it's great to see it also on the Vivosmart 4. This will also have Garmin's upgraded advanced sleep monitoring, and then this will also have their fitness level, which is their VO2 max reading. Now, while this will track a variety of different exercises, it is worth noting that even though this is technically swim-proof or water-resistant, it won't actually have swim tracking on this. So if you're someone who wants to track swimming, you'll have to upgrade to a more advanced fitness tracker from Garmin or another competitor.
Stay tuned for the full review, which we will have for you in the next week or two. And if you are interested in purchasing this product for the best price possible, please check out the link in the description of this video. My name is Laura.
And I'm Eric, and we're the Techy Agents. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.